guys? Welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Yeah, hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay. So 6674, longest continuous increase subsequence. Okay, so this problem say that you have an authority integer and the return length of longest continuous increase subsequence. So basically, you can the continuous increasing subsequence defined to be LR, left indices, right indices. Notice that they are not allowed to be the same. Okay, so L plus 1 up to R for each L less or equal to I less than R, and satisfy this. So must be increasing. So 135 for 7, then answer will be 3 because the longest length is 135. And for this guy is 1, right? Because the only 2, right? It must be strictly increasing. Okay, so my idea is this. Let answer to be 1. Okay, and the index to be j. So idea is that this j will count how many. We will use algorithm to find all increasing subsequence, or continuous increasing subsequence. Then we take the maximum of it. So this answer will count. This answer is just a list to store the length of the increasing sequence, and the j will be a indicator, right? So now you start from you iterate the length. If you see you're still increasing, then j I add 1, right? Because j is like the count the length, right? Otherwise means that it starts decreasing. So that means the section is over. So the answer will append the j, just record the length of the increasing string, also increasing subsequence, and the j need to be reset to be 1. Okay, so this is just you just go left to right, and wherever you see the increasing, you keep increasing. If you see this increasing stops, then you set it back. Otherwise, that append, and for all if it there is a special case that your original array are always continuous increasing. So then and whatever j you need to append at the final stage. Then you return the maximum answer. Maximum answer means that you return the maximum length of the continuous subsequence. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.